Go. Hello, do you know the answer to this question? So, what is the square root of 36? Okay, if you don't know it, that's great, because that's why I'm here to help you. Square roots, they sound quite complex, but they're actually very easy. Okay, you just need to understand the mechanics of it, so how to work it out. So, what number times by itself makes 36? Okay, let's have a go. So, 5 times 5. What number does that equal? Well done, that equals 25. Okay, but that's too small, so let's try a bit higher, okay? What about 7 times 7? Let's try that one. Can you help me? Yes, well done, that's 49. Well done. Okay, but that's too big, so that can't be the number. So let's try in the middle. What about 6 times 6? That, yes it does, that equals 36. So, the square root of 36 then must be 6, because that's the number that you times by itself to make 36. Okay? Right, have a great rest of the day, use that information to play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!